Hello, my fam. Today, we're gonna do something super fun. He doesn't know yet, but first, one of my favorite things to do is document all of his questions because his brain is exploding with knowledge and curiosity. And this morning, he asked me 3 really fabulous questions. First, he asked me, how do you animate cartoons, right?
No, how do you animate drawings?
How do you animate drawings?
Because the cartoons are already animated.
Yeah, how do you animate that? That's a great question. And I said that people do it by hand or on computer. Then he asked,
The computers are made out of naturalists.
he's like, how do you make computers? Here, you're giving me OCD. Sit here. Stay there. He said. He asked, how do you make computers?
Yes.
And he said they're made out of natural elements. And I said, no.
Yes, because this metal part is made out of rock in this...
The screen is made out of glass.
No, and the glass is made out of rocks that are transparent.
Really?
Yes.
Are they?
Yes, I learned that.
You did? Here, sit down. You're triggering my OCD. And then the third question, we should look into that more later. And actually ask your teachers because they're smarter than me.
And the third question was...
The third question you asked was, we were talking about being healthy, and he asked, why do people come up with and invent and create things with sugar if it's not healthy for you? Well, you can have some sugar in moderation, but your dad does not do moderation very well. You know what moderation is?
No,
Moderation is to have a little bit.
You have a tiny bit.
Yes, you could have a tiny bit of sugar, and that's...
You have a tiny bit of sugar.
No, when I have sugar, I have a lot. Like, I'll eat an entire box of peanut brittle. And people, they'll create things with sugar to get you hooked. To get you hooked. To get you to get it. To get you addicted to it. But it's important to be healthy, and that's why we work out together. We go to walks. We go do fun things, like what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna go tell your sisters and you. Let's go. Mia was drawing. What did you do?
Hice una casa de pájaros.
Oh, you made something. A birdhouse. Let me see.
Hice unas flores porque a los pájaros les gustan comer flores.
What makes that a birdhouse?
Son los que puedan entrar. Para que cuando llueva no se mojen.
Oh, you made that so the birds can stay dry in there.
No,
Cool.
because the paper's gonna get wet.
First steps. She'll figure that out next.
Oh, quizás para que duerman. O solo que sea una casa, eso es lo único.
Maite, sit up here.
Maito.
I've got to tell you guys something.
Vamos a algún lugar.
Yes, that's not a surprise, but where are we going?
McDonald's?
We are going to do something that we were supposed to do. Mario, you're not paying attention. We're gonna do something that we were supposed to do in Palm Springs, but we weren't able to because it was closed. Do you remember what that was?
What?
We're gonna go visit a waterfall.
¿La piscina?
Vamos a ver un waterfall. ¿Cómo se dice waterfall en español?
Vamos a Palm Springs?
No, we're not going to Palm Springs. There's a waterfall in Altadena, which is next to Pasadena.
Oh, eso es mucho.
It's not that far. It's like 30 minutes away.
Altadena is Pasadena's neighbor.
Yes. It's a city, a neighborhood.
Papi, ¿puedo llevar esto fuera?
Okay. All right. Let's put on some good shoes, okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, mi vida.
You're not going to enjoy where we're going, so I'm not even inviting you.
¿A dónde va?
We're going to a waterfall and hiking.
Waterfall.
Yes.
No, los niños tienen cold.
They're not going to, they had a cold. They're getting over a cold. They're over the cold. And going and being in the sunshine is not going to make their cold worse.
Okay, hiking is good.
Yes, they're not going to get in the water.
Not in the water.
No.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
I was scared. Not in the water. Okay.
No.
Okay.
All right, bye.
Have fun.
This really sucks. You need a reservation to go in there. And I didn't know that. So we didn't have a reservation to go to the falls. That sucks. That really sucks. This really sucks. This sucks. And I tried to do a same day reservation and there's no same day reservations. This sucks. This sucks. I'm gonna figure out what we're doing now. This sucks. This really sucks. All right, so there's good news and there's bad news. The bad news, we didn't get to go to Eaton Canyon Falls at Eaton Canyon. The good news is we were able to drive around Altadena and it is so pretty. There are so many stately homes. It's a really old part of the greater... Altadena is an old historic part of the greater Los Angeles area. And, okay, I'm gonna get to that. Oh, and I found us another hike in Altadena. It's called the Gabrielino Trail. And look, do you see there? You see that? There's a NASA building here in Altadena. How cool is that?
Dad, maybe here is where they made the rover, the Mars rover.
Oh, I'm surprised you know what that is. Well, let's go look. Are you guys ready for your hike?
Yes, because I already know what's the Mars rover.
All right, let's boogie. Actually, it's got a different name. Hahamongna Watershed Natural Park. Hahamonga Watershed Natural Park. Uh-oh. There's gonna be scary bobcats here.
Bobcats?
Yeah, they're gonna eat us. I'm only kidding. Oh, wow. Wow, that's a huge trail.
Where's the bobcat?
We're here. Okay, let me read this. Let's figure this out. Oh wow, and it takes this goes all the way to the Rose Bowl? Holy smokes.
Holy moly.
This is a major trail. Oh look, yeah. We're at the Gabrielino Trail. Okay. Gabrielino Trail is, all right, I'm gonna figure this out. Look, that NASA building is NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory. NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory. All right, let's just start walking. All right, so we are on the Gabrielino Trail. Let's figure this out. Let's walk. All right, hopefully this trail gets better because Mia was really smart. She said something. She said, this is not hiking. This is just walking. We're on this trail that's very urban. It's just this road. And it's not enough nature for me. I want more nature. I want pretty. I mean, it's not ugly, but it's not the best trail. So far, unimpressed. This is a great trail, though, if you want to ride your bicycle. So mental note for the future, the Gabrielino Trail in Altadena, Pasadena area is great for bike riding. I'm gonna try to find another place. I think we're walking back. We're gonna try to find another hike, hopefully. Mia wants a break. All right. And I'm gonna figure out what we're doing. All right. Now this is what I'm talking about. I didn't realize we were so close to Angels Forest National Park. We are up in the mountains. Look at this view behind me. What do you kids think? That's really cool. And it's only gonna get better. You know why? We're gonna go to Waterfalls. Milford Falls, I believe is the name of it. Milford Falls. Yay! Update. I got the name wrong. It's Millard Falls or Millard Falls. Millard. And it's just a short walk from here, I hope.
No es lo mismo, pero va a ser toda la ciudad.
Hey, careful. Oh my God. Wow. How cool.
I usually do the green, but I think she likes red.
How cool. We are in the mountains. Beautiful. The hills are alive with, you know what? The hills are alive. Come on, Mia. This is where we are. Echo Mountain. How cool.
Pero no hay ningún eco.
No.
Cool. Today is the perfect day for this. We're taking a break. You know why? Because it's only 64 degrees up here, but it's super sunny. So it feels like it's 73 degrees. It's 64, it feels 74. There's a nice breeze. It's gorgeous. The kids are staying hydrated.
I'm very tired. Está bien pesado.
Oh, this is stunning. We've got to come back here in the future because Mount Low looks gorgeous. But today, we're not going to do Mount Low. We're doing Sunset Ridge.
Yeah, you should get on the water fountain.
Yes, that's what we're looking for.
Where is
They're supposed to be here. All right. All right. We're getting our real trail now. We're there in 8 minutes. Thank God I've got my GPS on my phone and that it's working here. This is wild. I was not expecting all of this today. Wow. Wait, espera, Mia. Mia, you're trying to do some rock climbing? Amazing. That's like real rock climbing.
That's real rock climbing. It's like a rock. But I like climb it. I do it. Mira, rápido que quiero tomar esa ruta para...
Wow, Mia. Impressive.
Yes, I could also do that. But Mia's not letting. Yes. Just get down.
We're getting close because we could hear the water.
Yeah.
This is exciting.
Stop so you can see the water. Mia, stop.
We don't hear. I mean, hear it. Shh, shh.
It's right there.
I think it's over there. Ah! This is so exciting. All right, so the GPS is not right. Unless this is it.
No, because we have to still walk. Don't go to the left.
You think we go down this way?
No. No, actually.
I hear it that way.
Yes, but okay, let's try this way first.
Hold on, let me go first. All right, this is driving me crazy. I came down this by myself just to see. It's not gonna be, the kids can't do this, but I feel like I hear the water right there. This is too dangerous for the kids. There needs to be another way to get down there. The good news is we're heading down in a safe way, and I definitely hear water.
I know it's right there. Look.
Yes. I don't think that's the waterfall though.
I know the waterfall is more over there. Yes.
We're gonna find it.
That's one. You know.
You know what TLC says, right? Don't go chasing waterfalls. Oops. Mia, careful. Wow, this is quite the adventure. Hello. Hello. All right, we're heading back because we've been at this for a while now, and oh wait, oh God. Honestly, I don't think we're gonna find any waterfalls here, but I had a blast, you guys. And look, there's like a dam behind us. You see the dam? That's a dam, I think. You see the dam?
Oh yeah.
And we've seen so much beautiful nature in the middle of the mountains.
What?
But now we've got to go all the way back. Ay, ay, ay. Mia's doing some more rock climbing. Yay! Mario! No more. No, 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 no. They're going to sleep well tonight. Ain't that right, Mia?
No.
You're going the wrong way. It's this way.
We are gonna sleep well tonight.
We have one straggler, but she's doing really well. Muy bien! Muy bien! Good job, everybody. I'm really proud of you all. Yay! We made it! We made it! So, kids, tell me what you think.
I like it.
I can,
I don't like it. I'm tired.
what? You had the best time, Mia. You probably had the best time of anybody. Climbing rocks and skipping stone and being the leader of the pack. Mario, what did you think?
I liked it a lot.
Maite, ¿qué pensaste? ¿Te gustó? Well, that was super fun. Let's go say hi to Grandma one last time and tell her what we did. Come on.
No entren, para afuera.
Grandma doesn't want you in the house because you're getting over a cold. We had a great time.
Yes, do you have fun?
No.
Yes, Mia, you had a blast. What are you talking about? You had so much fun. Oh yeah? I'm going to show Grandma the video. You loved it. She was skipping and rock climbing. You loved it. She went inside.
How does she behave?
And she behaves great.
No, Mighty.
Good, but you know, she was the last behind us. My favorite thing is everything we did today, free.
Oh, you don't have to pay.
Yeah, it's free to go hiking, no parking fee. Fabulous.
Yes.
Making myself a nice cup of coffee. Gonna lay down for a bit myself as the kids nap, chill, shower, and have a great rest of the day. I loved today. That was so fun. The second place, that was a waste of time. But the forest, the actual forest in the base of the mountains, that was pretty magical. I'm so happy. And I'm so happy that you're an Ender. You are an Ender. Thank you for being a part of my fram. You are the best fram. The ones that watch to the end. I send you a big hug, all of the appreciation. If you enjoyed this, make sure you turn on the notifications so you never miss any of my videos. Follow me all over social media. Follow my other channel on YouTube. They're both my main channels. Listen to my podcast, the Perez Hilton Podcast with Chris Booker on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or directly at perezpodcast.com. That's perezpodcast.com. Come on. We really want to grow our podcast. It's so good. I know you will love it. And if you like my videos, I can make one for you or appear live via Zoom. Book me on the Cameo website directly at cameo.com/Perez Hilton. That's cameo.com/Perez Hilton. God bless you. Mwah. See you guys tomorrow.